5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Can you see me?
Yeah?
You could use a buddy. Don't you want a pal? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Girl, the way I see it, your daddy should be leaving and you should stick around and kill him.
What?
Nothing. So Lydia, don't end yourself. Defend yourself. Daddy is the one you should maim. Together we'll exterminate, assassinate.
No.
The finer points can wait, but first you gotta say my name. Fake cartwheel. Go ahead and jump, but that won't stop him. Here you got a solid plan B option. I can bring your daddy so much pain. All you gotta do is say my name. Girl, just say it 3 times in a row, and you won't believe how far I'll go. I'm on the bench, but coach, just put me in the game. All you gotta do is say my name.
I don't know your name.
Well, I can't say it.
How about a game of charades?
Yes, let's play it.
2 words.
Right.
Second word. Drink.
No.
Beverage.
No.
Wine.
No.
Juice.
Yes.
Okay, first word.
Okay.
Bug.
No.
Ant.
Close, but no.
Beetle.
Yes.
Beetlejuice.
Wow, I'm impressed. And all you gotta do is say my name 3 times. 3 times in a row. It must be spoken unbroken. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Beetlejuice.
Yes.
Beetlejuice.
Yes. Oh, this is gonna be so good.
Cows.
What?
You're so smart. A stand-up bro. I'm the badger offer. Let you know. But I'm for my chances down below. Beetlejuice.
Yes.
Beetlejuice.
Yes.
Being young and that doesn't mean that I'm an easy mark. I'm swimming with piranhas. I don't need a shark. Yes, life sucks, but not that much. Okay, Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice. Be a don't spare the lecture.
I'm offering you a full-time specter.
Are you any good?
You betcha. Trust me, baby.
I just met ya. Really, it's flattering on that.
Don't you wanna see Dad suffer?
I think I gotta just jump off.
No.
I may be suicidal, but Beetlejuice, it's not as if I lost my mind.
So,
What do I need you for?
whoa, hold up, girl, I'm your pal, they're sweet, but I'm a demon straight from hell. I know I went a little hard on myself, but we're BFFFs forever.
What? He was already dead.